Hello everyone. Good evening. How are you all? Yes, guys, we will start the session within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Uh, cool. Okay. It's fine. I hope you are all good and best of your health. Today we are going to discuss about few numerical problems based on the wave optics, guys. Okay. Wave optics may almost all I'm expected these questions will become definitely in a NEET. Okay. NEET level question leke aaya hum. Okay. Definitely we're going to solve these questions today. Before that, let us take a quick recap what we discussed in our last class. Okay, just a minute. Yes. It's recording. Sorry about it. Uh, Before starting this class, guys, if you are all ready with the formulas, means a list of formulas, when we discuss the topics, no, if you are list order means it is beneficial to you. Okay, because while solving the problem, if it is with you means it is better. Okay, try to write down the formulas whenever, not only here, if you are freely sitting now, when you are solving the questions based on the chapter means, first try to list out the formulas which are present in the chapter, and as well as the try to sort out the concepts which are present in the chapter one side in one sheet completely. Okay, it will give the complete idea about the uh, full chapter. Correct now? If it is given a complete idea means it's like a mind map. Okay, if you look into it means it will give suddenly the things which are present in the chapter. Okay, for that reason only I'm saying that whenever in the coming classes onwards, whenever you are going to solve the problems, okay, please be note down all the formulas and as well as the concepts which are present in a chapter. This is mandatory for all of you. Clear? Pretty good. And meanwhile, while solving the problems, guys, if you are facing any doubt means, please do drop your doubts in a chat box. Okay. I will try to solve your doubt. And if in case I'm unable to solve the doubt means, definitely I will tell you the answer in the next class. Okay. It's a okay, cool. We're going to discuss today numericals. Myself, Sham. I'm working in a one of the fellows in the JNU Haveri. Okay. Let us take a quick recap. Recall में last class क्या किया था? Actual polarization of light we discussed. Correct ना? Polarization क्या होता है? ये the source of light is there means in that source of light electric field wave and magnetic field waves are emerging random direction. Okay, that waves are light waves we called as unpolarized light. Correct ना? Unpolarized light हो गया, right? ये unpolarized light को polarized light के बदलना है. We need to change this unpolarized light as a polarized light. Correct ना? This phenomena, transition of phenomena as an unpolarized light to polarized light, we call polarization. Clear है ना? Next thing is that how to do this one polarization. We discussed on experimental evidence and along with the simulation also, right? Unpolarized light लिखने के लिए we will going to write like this. Correct ना? This vertical है ना, इसको हम कहते हैं plane wave or plane light. Okay, a dot है ना, a dot को कहते हैं perpendicular lights. Actually, this perpendicular light which is acting inside the plane. Cool. Okay, when it is passing through any crystal, actually we took here tourmaline crystal. उसके पास क्या होता है, बहुत सारे slits होते हैं, वो actually plain slits होता है. Only the plain light will be it allows. The perpendicular light क्या होता है, observe होता है. It will not passes through it. Correct ना? Then plane waves will be coming out from this tourmaline crystal without changing in intensity. Okay, intensity क्या होता है, same ही होता है. Intensity same. Correct ना? This process we called as an polarization of light. ये polarize हुआ है और नहीं हुआ है कैलकुलेट करने के लिए और एनालाइज करने के लिए we are going to put one device here, install the device. We call this device as an analyzer. Instead I explained here, just take into check it. Correct ना? Analyzer क्या करता है, उसको analyze करता है whether the light is polarized or not. Okay, and then if you're going to change the angle of a polarizer or analyzer, then क्या होता है, intensity continuously decrease होता है. When it is zero parallel to each other means polarizer and analyzer intensity will be same after coming from the polarizer. Okay, but just a minute. Yes, but if you start to rotate this one like this, okay, the angle is changing. When angle is changing, the intensity also decreases. Means amplitude of a wave will be cutting. No, that's why intensity keep on decreases and further up to 90 degree perpendicular. Or further 190 to again will be 180 to 270 again decreases, 270 to again 360 again intensity increases. This is a process which will be takes place during the polarization. Correct now? Yesterday we talked about this one, right? Then we discussed about device is that by using the tourmaline crystal we polarize the light. Correct ना? Second thing है निकोलस प्रिज्म. ये निकोलस प्रिज्म में क्या कर दिया हम, अनपोलराइज्ड लाइट को पोलराइजेशन कर दिया. करेक्ट ना? द प्रोसेस इज डिफरेंट. क्या है ना, इधर निकोलस प्रिज्म है ना, उसका एंगल है ना, थीटा वैल्यू इट विल बी 68 डिग्री. दिस इज स्पेशल एंगल. ओके, हियर वी आर गोइंग टू टेक two prisms. These two prisms which are having a 68 degree angle, no, we are going to paste these two prisms with a glue. That glue we called as an Canada balsam. Canada balsam is that it has a refractive index around 1.65. It is greater than the refractive index of the prism. Okay, here you one process happen. क्या है? Total internal reflection happens now here, right? This total internal reflection will be happening means ब्लू का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ज्यादा होना चाहिए. कंडीशन, ब्लू का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स शुड बी ग्रेटर दैन द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ द प्रिज्म. प्रिज्म का लेस देन दैट मींस 1.2 1.3 1.4 एनीथिंग. ओके, ड्यूरिंग दिस कंडीशन क्या होता है, द परपेंडिकुलर प्लेन लाइट होता है ना, वो इंसिडेंट होकर टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन लेता है. एट पर्टिकुलर एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट वी कॉल क्रिटिकल एंगल. इट शुड बी ग्रेटर दैन द angle of the prism. Correct? Then we call these waves को ordinary ray and another rays which are polarized light है ना, उसको हम कहते हैं extraordinary rays. Clear? Okay, if it is cool, then the intensity, if you are going to change the analyzer means intensity decreases. Yesterday, when intensity decreases means how much the quantity of intensity decreases. We need to calculate this one. Correct ना? Here we use this Malus law. Malus law use करके क्या कर दिया हम, इंटेंसिटी को कैलकुलेट कर दिया, राइट। मान लो से एक इक्वेशन दिया था, इस साइंटिस्ट का नाम है I इज इक्वल टू I नॉट cos square phi or cos square theta. Here I naught is nothing but amplitude, sorry intensity. इसको amplitude में लिखता है is equal to a square cos square phi होता है और theta होता है, करेक्ट ना। एक कैसा आया था वो भी पता yesterday एक्सप्लेन किया था। इफ यू कंसीडर दिस द प्लेन, एनालाइजर का प्लेन है, इफ यू गोइंग टू रोटेट सम एंगल थीटा मींस इधर इसका एम्पलीट्यूड था ये, it is creating angle theta along the cos function we took, then it will become a cos theta, correct ना। intensity find out करने के लिए यार ये cos theta था, but intensity वाला means it should be square of the amplitude, that's why a square cos square, right, cool. Next thing is polarization by scattering of light in atmosphere. No, when electromagnetic wave is coming from the sun, when it is incident on any molecule in our atmosphere, scattered होता है। Scattering phenomena we already discussed in our previous classes, right now. When it is scattered, after scattering, if you are watching the light perpendicular to the scattering angle, that time only you will receive the plane angles, sorry, plane light waves at perpendicular, not in a straight. If you're watching a straight means you will get again unpolarized light. If you're making an angle means again you are getting unpolarized light. If you want to watch the plane polarized light means you need to be with a perpendicular to the incident light. This is the condition, correct now. And then after we discussed about the polarization by the reflection. By reflection also polarization will be takes place. It should be at some angle. We call that angle as an polarization angle, that is IP. Correct now. IP value almost it is vary from angle 45 degree to 90 degree. Okay, this is the condition. Okay, then after Brewster given an equation for to calculate the value of the polarization reflection. Here the value is, hey, come here, yes, mu will be equal to tan IP. Clear enough? This is all about the things which we discussed in our last class, and as well as I told you that few daily life examples also, how to get wherever we are going to use this polarides. Polaride means it actually makes the unpolarized light to polarized light, correct now. We call that those materials as an polarides, right? Where we are using, actually one best example I given, right? During in a night time, if you are traveling means opposite vehicle which is coming, just imagine like that, the intensity of light will be maximum, right now. If the intensity of light is maximum means you can't able to predict any object in front of you, right? At the time it is very difficult to ride there. You might be stop the vehicle, after the opposite vehicle will pass now, then you will move, or else if you want to move means you can use the spectacles which are prepared with the polarides, right? When the spectacles you are going to use like that polarized spectacles, it will distill the unpolarized light to polarized light with some angle. Okay, that time you can easily predict the things which are present in front of you, even heavy light or high beam of light which is coming in front of you. Cool. Is the best example I would like to suggest. Okay, this is all about last wala. If you have any doubt means please do drop your doubts in a chat box quickly. If you have any doubt means please drop your doubts in a chat box. Excellent. Is any doubt? You don't have a doubt means we will continue our class. Okay. आज का स्पेशल क्या है? मैं आ गया हूँ इधर प्रॉब्लम लेकर. This is the special thing. Okay. Okay. Let us चलो सॉल्व करते हैं प्रॉब्लम. First the problem is that find the ratio of intensities. Okay. क्या करना है? Intensities ratio we need to calculate. Okay. 2 points X and Y on a screen in Young's double slit experiment. Okay, 2 points are there on the screen. Young's double slit experiment. Okay, we need to find out their intensities ratio where waves from two sources is S1 and S2 have a path difference is 0 and lambda by 4. Means, देखो इधर Young's double slit experiment means two slits will be available here, not single slit. Correct ना? Source के साथ two slits होता है S1, S2. From these two sources here and here, X and Y place में क्या हो रहा है? Two fringes are forming here. Okay, think like that. These are the bright fringes because they are asking the intensities, right? Intensity means bright fringe only can give the intensity. Correct, na? That's why. Hi, Gauri. Okay, these two particles का intensity find out करना है. Condition क्या है? First condition है path difference. Sorry, yes. Path difference है ना? Delta x. Delta x value will be 0. When it is 0, we need to find out their intensity I1 and I2 का. Sorry, उल्टा हो गया. I1, I2. And second condition, when the path difference will be lambda by 4. At this condition also, we need to find out the ratio. Means I1 by I2 ratio find out करना है 2 case में. Okay. I will give you exactly 2 minutes of time. Your time start now. Okay. Try it and let me know the answer. Okay. Your time is running. Two minutes of time. इंटेंसिटी का इक्वेशन लिखना है. करेक्ट ना? इधर इंटेंसिटी को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हाँ इंटेंसिटी इन विच पॉइंट इट इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन दैट वन आल्सो यू नीड टू नो अबाउट इट. And after it is very easy. Try it. No worries. Time बहुत धीरे से चल रहा है. Means it is taking, it is counting 1 second in 2 seconds. मेरा वॉच में 2 seconds होता है ना, इसमें 1 second हो रहा है. पता नहीं why it is lagging. Try it once. According to the screen time, more than 1 minute हो गया. It is left with 50 seconds. Okay, no problem. Almost all time up. I will solve this problem. Just be with me. Okay. देखो इधर कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है बोलता हूँ मैं. First you need to know about the formula of intensity. Intensity का formula क्या होता है? You know, right? Resultant intensity IR is equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root of I1 I2 cos phi. Correct है ना? Note down this formula है. First, yeah, and one more thing, this resultant intensity depending upon the function of phi. Cos phi का function में depend होता है, बोल दिया था मैंने, पता है ना? Okay, then first they given path reference 0. Okay, if path reference is 0 means first we'll write here I1 plus I2 plus 2 under root of I1 I2 cos phi. Okay, okay, path reference 0 है, then what will be the phase difference? We need to find out. इसके लिए एक इक्वेशन होता है ना, डेल्टा एक्स वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू लैम्डा अपॉन 2 पाई इंटू फेज डिफरेंस. फेज डिफरेंस कितना दे दिया है? फर्स्ट पॉइंट में 0, इधर देखो 0 था. इफ फेज डिफरेंस दिस वैल्यू विल बी 0 मींस पाथ डिफरेंस कितना होता है? 0 होता है. सॉरी सॉरी, पाथ डिफरेंस लिख दिया ना. ओके, सॉरी सॉरी, उल्टा लिख दिया मैंने. ओके, उल्टा लिख दिया, उल्टा लिख दिया. पाथ डिफरेंस दे गिवन, वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द फेज डिफरेंस. वो भी 0 ही आता ना. देखो लैम्डा अपॉन 2 पाई into phase difference. Here path difference is 0. This value is 0 means if you multiply this one to left hand side means again you will get the delta phi value also. क्या हो रहा है इधर? Yes, delta phi value also you will get 0. Correct now? Okay. If delta phi is nothing but phi value will be 0 means what happens to this equation? Check it once. Divided by, in a denominator again I1 plus I2 plus 2 root of I1 I2 cos phi है. ओके, I1 का वैल्यू पता करना है पहले. ओके, I1 में phi वैल्यू विल बी 0. क्या हो रहा है? Is it visible what I'm writing on the board? It's coming late. Just a minute, guys. Please be hold on. What I'm writing, it is lagging, bro. I don't know why. Okay, cool, no problem. I will try. Okay, then I1 will be equal to, now coming to the point, when path reference will be 0, first you need to put here value of I1. Next point will be when path reference क्या हो रहा है? Lambda by 4. Okay, at the time we need to calculate the phase difference value. Lambda sorry by 2 pi. Again क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ में? आजा आजा, हाँ आ गया. 2 pi into lambda 5. हेलो, where it is? क्या हो रहा है? Nothing is visible. राहुल, आपका पेन टैप दे दो यार एक बार. I don't know why it is happening. हाँ, just a minute, guys. I'm going to change my pen tab for few seconds only. Okay, sorry for the distance again. Okay, delta phi value need to find out. Then take delta x value. Delta x value कितना दे दिया? Here lambda upon 4 will be equal to lambda upon, क्या हो रहा है इधर? नहीं आ रहा यार. Lambda upon 2 pi is not recognizing. Don't know why. Just a minute. Just a minute. Be on. Be here. What is happening like this? into phase difference. नहीं हो रहा है delta phi. Guys, log out and log in. Okay. Please be in a line. Okay. Just for just 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. Hmm?